How to delete your Stumble Guys account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Stumble Guys account permanently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, make sure that you have the app, and you can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get the app, you can open it up and it should look something like this. This is the lobby of your Stumble Guys. And now what you'll need to do is head over to the settings that is on the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. And now to delete your account, first make sure that you are connected to your account. You will see the connected button. You can log in into your Facebook account as well if you want to. And after you do that, you can scroll down. And after you scroll down under the general section, you'll find privacy and helps and support. Tap on privacy and open this tab up, and right there you'll find delete account option. Select that, and now you will need to type delete, that is del, on your account. So simply type in del, make sure that you type it on capital DEL, and then tap on delete. After you do that, your account is now deleted on your Stumble Guys. There you go. Now you will get to simply create a new account. If you want to do that, or you can simply head back here. And that is how you permanently remove Stumble Guys account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.